LG C4 OLED, Samsung S90D OLED. Done them both on standard picture settings and run a few demos through. I'm going to put the demos through again, but for picture settings, I'm going to use the AI on them both, and the AI claims to look at the content I'm giving it and work out the best picture optimization for that. So on the LG it's called AI Picture Pro, and on the Samsung it's called the Intelligent Mode and Adaptive Picture.
stadium in Singapore. They take on the Italian champions, Juventus. Spurs include the likes of Dele Alli, Heung-min Son, and Toby Alderweireld in their starting 11. Juventus versus Tottenham Hotspur, a fixture many in his kind of area. Heung-min Son for Spurs. And can't sneak it in.
In terms of form from that moment on.
It's a Mandzukic great ball, and he directed it to the correct corner. And those two work it again. 4-on-3 here for Spurs. Son, well laid off, and Buffon makes a fine save. He's kept it in by Eric Lamela. Troy Parrott denied on the first attempt, but Lamela was there to beat Buffon. Spurs have been the better team, and on the half hour, they lead Juventus. They foul to me on the edge of the penalty area. We play on.
I believe it was.
And Pjanic, Higuain, well worked. Gonzalo Higuain goes it, and he is a true finisher, and he's done it against Tottenham Hotspur before in the Juventus shirt. The man back from Chelsea has made it Juventus 1. D'Silio up against Walker Peters. A good cutback, and it's deflected into the net. And Ronaldo has his goal, and Juventus have turned this around. They now lead by 2 goals to 1. And there is the iconic celebration of Cristiano Ronaldo. Matches up to win the ball in the Juve half, and what a pass for Lucas Moura. He's assisted the equaliser. Spurs are back level against Juventus. Great work by Ndombele, and Lucas Moura has stabbed it into the net. What an immediate impact. And brilliant work again by Walker Peters.
Boy, he was excellent in terms of his hold-up play. I can see him being there was an opportunity here.
Kane, what a goal! What a goal to win it! Szczesny's caught out. Harry Kane has scored the goal of this tournament. That is extraordinary. Tottenham Hotspur 3, Juventus 2. How did he come up with that? Very special indeed. That is it. Tottenham Hotspur have won their first game of pre-season in the most extraordinary style.